let's go for a walk.
Let's make art together with Miss Mullins today.
Okay, so I've been getting a lot of requests for nature walk videos. So I am going to be doing another one today. We're gonna try and make some art out here. It's so challenging to make art from nature, but that's part of it. It's a challenge. So hopefully I can find something and make art. I want to incorporate it in something, and I think I might be able to braid some grass together to make like a garland. Yeah, these are pretty long. It looks like there's little spider nests in the bottom of these. I don't want no spitters. No spitters for me. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 3 because I'm doing a braid. Alright, so we've got the basics of our garland. We've got like a braided rope, and it's like perfect size for my head. So now I have to figure out how I want to attach these. That's gonna be fun. I'm not sure what else I could really do other than a knot, but I have a feeling that will fall out. Maybe we can come up with our own knots. Maybe this will work. I have no idea, guys. Miss Mullins is experimenting. Hey, whoa, ah, okay, stay. No, it might work, guys, hang on. As long as I don't stress it, okay? So, I've got my garland, just don't pull on it. And I wanted to stick some things in it to make it look interesting. So, I have some fuzzy stuff. I don't know, I might just slip it into some of the braids very gently because I don't want to undo all my hard work. So I'm trying to weave it in between a braided piece. So let me stick this one in here. I'm trying to weave through, and some of this is really brittle, which means it's very dry and it likes to break apart. Like even just holding it in my hand, it's just kind of crumbling. Ooh, I might have gotten it on that one. Okay, so I got 2 in here. I was hoping to at least get like 3, maybe 5. Odd numbers usually do better in art. And we can also maybe put some flowers in here. Ooh, okay. I don't know, guys, what do you think? As long as I don't pull too hard at it. I have a little bit of a crown. Now I want to put some flowers on it, I think. I think I'm gonna dare to put some flowers on it. So I've got some buttercups over here. And maybe I can sort of weave them in. Maybe I can just stick it in. Work with it a little bit more. Okay, let's see what we got. I have a pretty crown. There we go. I made a crown today, guys! I'm so proud of myself. That's awesome. I don't know what it looks like. Well, great! I hope you enjoyed making art with Miss Mullins today. So, hopefully you made something interesting. This one, I'm actually surprised it happened. So, anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.